Ka Israel ka peniap yo Shipai ke Iran na ka Khyrwit daw namding kum ka senjam baka sim ban yada lupa na ka jing tumu ke Iran ban penunkam daw bom nuklear. Prime Minister ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu long ba ka jing hetma ke Shipai ke Israel kan beteng kan badang don kamper kan ne bun sengiru. Israel ka penunkam da ke keteng kani ke jing hetma kum ka jing kerhu using ne Rising Lion Operation. Hakani ke jing Khyrwit ke Israel rayo ban peniap yu Shipai ke Iran u General Muhammad Bakhiri nangta yu General Amil Ali Haji Sadeh badai ukli ke Revolutionary Guard jong ke misai program nologi pat ke Shipai bakam hapo. Om tangkata arngut kini nuclear scientist ke Iran ke ayap akan jing ter Israel hak singi toding. Kajing yap ka akot si kanyubu prangut bat kumbalai spa ngut gibreu ga mensau kat kum klong kubor. Palat as pak teli gering sunya pom kari Israel kira Khyrwit hagi babun bak kejaka Shna tir thma ke Iran hakeleng katai kari kentop hanatan ke badai ke Ktem butir thma hapok khendau ke bahek tam ke Iran nalo ka Shia Holy City of Qom kumju Isafan ke Bushehr bat Fardo. Horgan jing ter Israel ke Iran mentakamet ka terkala da namding sya kanong ba Jerusalem batel albib jong ke Israel hendai kat kum khobor kam shimla wanra ka jing julal ke bajur namar bagi Shipai ke Israel ga ayo ban set pen betaino yaki batang tang katu kat ne ga ayo ban dei sya khandau ladon gi ba mensau kum balai pusang wada kat kum getlong khobor negara Israel kani gi jing kuntma ke Israel bar ke Iran kala ban klang banyilam syaka bakham he lada wan simenta sagiwe giri ki bekersian kawe pat.
Rising Lion, a targeted military operation to roll back the Iranian threat to Israel's very survival. This operation will continue for as many days as it takes to remove this threat. For decades, the tyrants of Tehran have brazenly, openly called for Israel's destruction. They've backed up their genocidal rhetoric with a program to develop nuclear weapons.
The attack last night has proven to the entire world the truth of what the Islamic Republic of Iran has been declaring for many years, that aggression and criminality are intrinsic to the Zionist regime's nature. Of course, the Iranian nation and its officials will not remain silent in the face of this crime. The Islamic Republic of Iran's legitimate and powerful response will make the enemy regret its foolish actions.